Hi guys, how you been? Today I'm talking to all of my low maintenance folks. If you're just like, I just can't get to it. I go to bed or I wake up in the morning and the thought of doing 4-step regimen on my face is like, it's just not happening, lady. So this is for you. Here are your options if you're a low maintenance person. Run with it, right? Dive in. So option number 1 is Counterstart. This is the cleanser, coconut and aloe, a coconut and jojoba. There are other ingredients too, but just not a lot of ingredients. Good for people with allergies or just low maintenance people who are just like, I don't want to use a lot of stuff. 2 steps. If you can handle it, 2 steps, Counterstart. The other option, let's say those 2 steps, that's still too much. Yeah, you're out there. I know you're out there. You're like, no, woman, that's never gonna happen, those 2 steps. So I give you 1 step, and I'm gonna have one even easier than this. But here's 1 step if you're still like, yeah, but I still wanna be working on my skin. I wanna use quality product, right? But I just can't do more than 1 step. I'm just not gonna do it. So here's the Lotus Cleansing Balm. Lotus Cleansing Balm, this is a bestseller for sure and one of my favorite products. It's just like a really thick kind of oil in there, right? Take an almond-sized portion off of that. This is guys or girls. No one will know, guys, if you use this. I sell this to guys too. It can be used as a cleanser, eye makeup remover, or it can be used as a mask. It's an anti-inflammatory, right? So when you wake up in the morning with the mask, it also has an anti-inflammatory in it. Kind of nice and awesome. Desert Island product. High quality product, only 1 product that can be used for so many things. I also use it on like mosquito bites and boo-boos and you know, all that stuff. But fabulous, fabulous awesomeness. 1 step. Lotus Cleansing Balm. What if that's still too much for you? If you're like, yeah, I don't see myself doing that either. Then I would go with the Beautycounter wipes, right? Beautycounter wipes. You're still using a high quality product, but you just take a wipe, just like a dad blame baby wipe, and you're just gonna wipe your face off, get all those impurities off, start fresh. They're very hydrating, right? Not drying your skin. And then all you'd have to do is add a sunscreen. If you just wanna just not age and be clean, cleanser, some sunscreen. That's it. All right, so that's for all my low maintenance folks. I'll be going over this again in a little more in depth on the IG Live this Saturday at noon that I'm doing with Stephanie Stein, teacher, because we're gonna talk about low maintenance skin and kids and teens and going back to school and all that stuff. So join us this Saturday at noon at Curiously Clean Chaos. Bye guys. Oh, and if you did a regimen or a collection right now, it comes with the $69 #1 brightening facial oil for free. Also, it's 20% off for new clients. So if this is the first order you put in on this email address, you can get 20% off. So there's that too.